Immanuel Kant. It's a good day we are the group that analyzes a moral situation using Immanuel Kant's categorical imperative. The dilemma we choose was, is it reasonable to lie to save someone's life? In this presentation, we will explain the situation, perform Keynesian analysis using three formulations, and draw conclusion based on Kant's ethical principles. Immanuel Kant biography, a philosopher born on April 22, 1724 in Königsberg, Prussia, or what is now Kaliningrad, Russia. His death on February 12, 1804, died at age 79. His parents named Johann George Kant and Anna Regina Porter, a professor of philosophy at Königsberg in Prussia. He spent his life in writing, lecturing, and researching. From 1748 to 1754, Kant worked as private tutor. Kant's concept of morality, nature of imperative, God will, the notion of duty.
Scenario developer. Here's the situation we've created. A woman is being chased by a criminal who wants to hurt her. He ran into a stranger's house and hid in the back of the house. A few minutes later, the criminal arrived and asked the homeowner, "Did you see a woman walk through here?" Now, the homeowner knows where he is, but has to choose whether to lie or not. The question is it right to lie to protect a woman's life?
Ba't parang yung mga babae wala namang ginagawa sa inyo? Utos lang na utos.
An analyst, according to Kantian ethics, we will examine this using three formulations of the categorical imperative. First, universalizability. If everyone lied whenever they wanted to protect someone, would lying to become normal? We would no longer trust each other. In Kant's view, this is not a moral act.
Respect for the person as an aim. We should not use others as mere tools. If we lie, we have used the criminal as a tool for our own ends, even if it is for good.
Autonomy and moral exaltation. Man must act according to the principle that he himself considers to be the moral law. In Kant's view, lying is a violation of one's own morality, regardless of its purpose. So even if the intention is a good, according to Kant, lying is never right.
Critic, devil's advocate. However, we want to challenge the idea that lying is never right. In this situation, not lying could lead to the death of an innocent person. Isn't there also a moral value in protecting the life of others? Perhaps Kant's principle has its limits in real-world scenarios. It shows that there are times when truth and goodness need to be balanced.
Conclusion for the presenter. At the end of our analysis, it is clear that according to Keynesian ethics, lying can never be considered right, even if it's for good purpose such as saving life. According to Kant, and the morality of an action is not based on the result, but on the principle or purpose of the action.